time frames from minute to monthly. It would take you hours analyzing every single chart. Forex Trendy crunches all the charts within a second. You don't have to wait during the choppy market, just pick the best trending pair at any time. It scans even the exotic currency pairs, such as the Norwegian krone, the Sing dollar, or the Hong Kong dollar, which gives you a great advantage. You don't have to limit yourself to basic Forex pairs though. There are more trading opportunities out there. When one becomes choppy, throw it away and jump to another pair. Forex Trendy quickly gives you the next best pick. You can even set up audible alerts so that when there's a pretty trending trade, you won't miss it. The Forex Trendy application works independently from your trading platform. You can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, etc. because the software is actually running on our computers located in Florida. What you get is just the clean trend at any time. For a small fee, you get access to use this online application. Bring your trading to the next level with the easiest, smartest tool in the Forex arena. Just click on the link below the video. Here's what's inside. No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install, just instant auto analysis of the cleanest pairs and timeframes with a nice trend. No matter if you're a novice or advanced trader, everyone immediately benefits from this smart application. Now a special bonus. Automated chart pattern recognition software that can recognize triangles, flags, wedges, and strong trend lines in all currency pairs and timeframes, so you're always prepared for every potential breakout. The audible alerts will tell you about the confirmed patterns in real time, so you don't miss the explosive price movements following the breakout. Your current approach is probably why you're not profiting consistently or still looking for a better trading system. Are you doing the same thing and expecting different results? Forex Trendy is not a system, but a powerful trading tool that's designed to help improve the accuracy of any system or strategy that you're currently using. Click on the link below the video.